Welcome back to the Great British Robotic Bake-Off.
Every sub-team is vying to deliver the main course, that one critical piece of tech that defines the robot.
Let's check in with our contestants. Tell me, what is the secret to your robot's base this year?
Well, Chef, we focused on adding a magnetic kill switch as well as a permanent electronic mounting for better longevity. Along with that, our members are also trained in KiCad and Onshape. No matter the experience, anybody is welcome to join.
Simply delectable.
Thank you, Chef.
So tell me what your sub-team is working on.
Yes, of course, Chef. We have made two exquisite main courses of PCBs today. The first is the battery management system, which uses an integrated circuit and thermistors in order to provide temperature management, cell balancing, as well as overcurrent protection. The second board we have made is the thruster control board that controls the PWM signals from our Raspberry Pi Pico to the thrusters.
Now, how is this vision system going to spot the winner?
Glad you asked. So we have two cameras horizontally aligned to identify and get the location and positions relative to Manny. From that, we calculate global positions so we can track them over time. Also, we have this Unreal simulation engine where we can very quickly collect and label lots of training data.
Very good focus. Keep it sharp.
Thank you, Chef.
However, other sub-teams haven't found it to be so easy.
What are you tuning? What are you?
Simulation sandwich, Chef.
It's been hard to keep people in line, but we've still been able to develop our controllers with MATLAB Simulink to enable Manny's autonomous abilities. To streamline development, we C-export our controllers and use Unreal Engine to test them. Our goal is to reach full autonomy and win the competition.
My sub-team builds the structural software framework for robot control. We use a ROS-facilitated microservices approach. This allows us to do rapid software component swaps and allows us to integrate MATLAB in the loop for testing. We are ready to win this competition.
The contestants now enter the finale, beginning with the manipulation sub-team.
We brought our improved dropper. We refined the 3D model to create a more smoother, accurate drop.
The precision on that drop is lovely.
Thank you, chefs.
Research, can you please show us your module?
For our showstopper, we've developed an attachable sensor module which collects temperature, depth, and pH data for environmental researchers here at UC Davis.
It's a brilliantly balanced recipe. It's already been successfully deployed in local waterways and Lake Tahoe.
Thank you, chefs.
It was a difficult decision.
One is technically perfect, the other is environmentally bold.
And the winner is...